If you grew up in South Africa, then this one is for you. Now, guys, can we take a moment to talk about Mnet open time? Look here, that was a time, no? It was first from 6 to 7. Then it changed from 5 to 7. And at that time, nobody must disturb you. Now, I grew up with no Mnet decoder. We never had an Mnet decoder. So I relied heavily on Mnet open time, right? And you remember that times, especially on a Sunday night, no? And then when Mnet open time is finished, sometimes they let it play on, then Carte Blanche come on. Ek sê, listen here, don't act like you don't remember, no? TV1, TV2, 10 o'clock at night and you see the blokkies. You can't watch. Do you guys remember Morris nog 'n dag? Yo, ou Kokkie, he was the basic Seventh Heaven, Suburban Bliss, Kykie Generations with Archie and Carabo. Look here, Mnet open time, Loving and Nicole. That very important. Yo, I used to like Trish. We take it back a bit more, man. How's about Orkney Snorkney? Yo, that was my favorite show. You guys don't know how much I binge on certain pages. I know there's some pages that play all these old sitcoms in. Ek watch hulle. Ek watch hulle. Agter elke man. En dis die nie hulle. Pilla se kind. Nah, that was that lady Nina. Yo, I always admired her. She was so glamorous. I think her name was Charlene Surti Richards. Speak under correction. Bruh, Days of Our Lives. Look here, before Days of Our Lives start, I must be in the house, jong. I must be bathed everything, because when my pa come home, ek moet daar wees, else there's trouble. Days of Our Lives and Bold the Beautiful. How in Malina was possessed. Look here, I used to like Susan. On school, when we used to have oral and skits we had to do, I used to grand to play Susan. Do you remember the Wonder Years? And Urkel? Yes, like it. Nah, that was good sitcoms back in the day. Yo, that time we had some proper TV shows, man. Look here, now you excited. Nobody must disturb you. And can you remember, now, if there was Poppinches that came on at night, it was like, huh? Or when we used to hire a video machine, no? And then 3 movies, I think, for 10 rand. And then you must rewind it before you return it. Yeah, my uncles and aunties, and they put a blanket over the curtain in the lounge and you feel like a bioscope. They always used to allow me to choose one Poppinche and it would always be Gummy Bears or so. Look here, man, how's about, no? If one of the neighbors now maybe start the krokkie, then the TV start hopping. Look here, you either used to have a glass of water on the TV so that it can be stable, or you must move the aerial the whole time. And that time there wasn't remotes. We were the remotes. School holidays, no? 9 o'clock the morning on TV1. Then they give us Heidi or Vicky. Yo, it was a liquor Poppinches that time, man. Pinocchio. At that time, we didn't need Netflix or Wi-Fi or internet. Nothing. We never ever thought the cell phone would ever be this important to us. Nah, all we needed was a TV reception. Look here, then they tell you, move the aerial to the left, move it to the right. No, stand just so. Sometimes I must stand with that aerial. And who remembers the stories they used to give us in the middle of the U magazine and the Huisgenoot, right? That, I think it was Bobo and Lieve Heksie hulle. Yeah, we had a lekker childhood. Now, honestly, back in the day, life wasn't perfect, man. Life wasn't perfect. We didn't have much. But, yo, the things we came up with, the kids, you know, we made our own games also. Yo, it was so lekker. It was the simplest things that made us the happiest. And maybe that's why all those memories still live rent-free in our heads.